By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to make $1 million in a single second. I'm kidding. Day trading. What is day trading? I don't know. So let's have a look, shall we? What is day trading? Okay. So Google's definition, day trading means buying and selling security rapidly, often in less than a day. Here is how to get started with day trading. How does day trading work? Day trading involves actively buying and selling securities within the same day, trying to capitalize on short-term changes in price. Those involved in day trading often borrow large leverage capital each day in order to purchase additional assets, but also substantially increase your risk. Right, so now that we have a broad spectrum of understanding what day trading is, let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing that you'd want to do, all right, is you want to find a brokerage. What I use is DRIV. They are a very good broker on my side. It depends on where you are on this lovely globe of ours that we call Earth. I use DRIV. So what you'd want to do, you want to go and you want to search driv.com, and it's going to give you this. Right now, what do is you go to this. Make sure that you use the right, and beware of scams, guys. This is not financial advice. I am just playing around to see if we can day trade. You want to go here and you want to create a free demo account. So then what they're going to ask you is that you have to go and get the code from your email. All right, so now let's just go here. And there we go. Now, as you can see here, verify my email. You have to click on that link. Unable to open. Okay, if that happens, it's no problem. What you do is you just copy this link. Open link. So now you just state your country that you are in. Yes. And then it's going to ask you for your citizenship. Obviously, I am Korean. Alright, now just quickly create a password. Make sure you use a strong enough password so that people don't steal your money should you deposit real money. Obviously, we're going to deposit real money. We don't want to use fake stuff. Alrighty, so now what we do now is we are in the portal. This is the portal for DRIV. Alright, now depending on what you want to trade, there are different things in the market that you can trade, but for now let's just go with financial. We want to trade, for example, gold. I'm gonna make this, let's use gold. Okay, we want to trade gold, so it's going to be a financial one. So we say get, go on now, get, finally. All right, so now as you can see here, we have a demo account of $10,000 US. All right, now what you want to do is you want to go to financial demo. Okay. Alright, then it's going to ask you for your MetaTrader password. That's the password that you created the account with. Alright, so you just type in that password. And you have to remember this password because you're going to have to log in with this password. Alright, so now you can see it says MT5 and it's a FIN. It's an abbreviation for financial. Okay, so now what we do now is you want to set up your MetaTrader 5 account. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the ID. So this is 131337708. This is the account that you'll be trading with. Obviously, don't use mine, but you'll see the ID there. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go back to Traders Hub. Okay, so now I'm going to open another tab here. Say DRIV MT5. Done. Okay, so this is the MetaTrader 5 trading platform that we will be using. Okay, so this is what the platform looks like, and make sure you download the correct one. As you can see, I've already installed it over here. Now, okay, so once you have logged into your deriv.com, right, you want to go to Traders Hub over here. Then from Traders Hub, okay, it's going to take you here. As you can see, we are on the demo here, okay. Now the financial, this MetaTrader demo account that we funded, the financial one for the gold, okay, you want to open this. All right, then here you can see the login ID. Now this is an important number, so I'm just going to copy it for now. Okay, this is the password that you set up. So if you forget the password, you can just come and edit it right here, change password. All right, but most important of all, so you download this, download MetaTrader 5 for the Windows. Okay, so now what we do, okay, I already downloaded it. So when you come here, it's going to look like this. Okay, so what you want to say, file, and then you want to say log into trade account. Okay, you're going to take that away, paste the number you copied, put in the correct password for the trader's account that you created.
Incoming mail.
Alright, so now you can see we have logged in with that account. Here's the balance of 10,000 USD. Okay, so now this is the hub, this is the portal. You're part of the cool kids now.
Nice.
This is where we are. Now we want to buy and sell. Okay, so show trade panel, Alt T. So if you don't have that, you can just press Alt plus T and it will show you this trade panel. If it doesn't show like that, like this over here. If that doesn't show, okay, so now let's look at the market and let's see if we can day trade. Okay, but let's go to the 1 minute because we don't want to stay into the trades very long. Let's see, I am going to say, it looks like the market's going up. So let's say buy. And now it's going to give you a disclaimer. Just have to scroll down. Remember, this is not financial advice. You can lose your money. All right, now let's look at what the market does. Because obviously the reason why it bought above that line is because above the price line that's because of deriv's spread. So they have a spread, a margin spread, and that's basically where they collect their commission. Like how the platform makes money is when you open a trade, it gives you a certain percentage of that trade, you know. So like, yeah, so we'll see what this market's gonna do, and we are losing money, as you can see there.
No! No! No!
Why are we losing money? Yeah, we are losing money.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so as you can see, we are clearly in a red. We are at minus $56. So I am just gonna close the trade right because this is not working.
Wow, this is actually really hard. There's a lot more pieces to this than I understood at the beginning.
Maybe we should look for something else. No, let's not look at something else. Let's figure out a way to day trade. Right.
Informed optimism.
So I'm gonna go over and close this trade. Training montage. As you can see. So basically, there are three main factors. First of all is utilizing your time frames. Second of all is using the right indicators. And third of all is patience, waiting for the correct trade in the market. Oh, that was very painful. What have we learned? Well, basically it hit me like out of nowhere, and it made sense. So first of all, there are three main factors that you need to take in consideration when looking at the market. First of all is time frames. All right, these time frames, they do matter. Because what you do is you look at the bigger picture of the market, which is like the daily or the 4-hour time frame, to decide whether we're going to trade today or not. You know, is it a good day to trade? Is it a bad day to trade? Is the market going up or going down? Then second of all is indicators. All right, so indicators tell you exactly what the market's doing. I don't exactly know what indicators do, as you know, I'm learning with you. So then thirdly is patience. You need to be patient. You have to wait for a trade. Don't jump into the market like we did previously. You need to look for the correct trade. You know, you have to find a trade to place. Like, is it a good place to trade right now? Should we wait? You know, real traders know when is a good time to trade, when is a good time to wait. Let's jump in and see what we can do this time, now that we have a better understanding of what the market's actually about. Went and I opened 2 trades, and if you look at them, they are losing money. But we've learned some things.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
First of all is I added a few indicators. There are a few moving averages. Basically what a moving average is, it just picks, it pinpoints the average price of within a speculated amount of candlesticks. Alright, so then also a few volume indicators like the MACD and the stochastic. I don't really know what those two do, but they give us some kind of indication. I guess that's what indicators do, huh? They indicate. Right, so we are losing money, but we do have patience, and let's give it time up until tomorrow, and then we'll see what this trade has done.
5 hours later.
Okay, so we are in profit. All right, I did not check the market earlier today, but as you can see here, we do have a clear indication of where we should have exited the market, but we are $1,465 in profit. So that is a very, very good sign. You know, like, we did enter at a good place, but what I meant by with patience is, if you look right here, with the entry of the market, if we waited for the correct entry within the market, the profit would have been even more. So with all due, I am going to close these trades because I feel that it is enough of a profit for me. But we have been in this trade for exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hours. We've been in this trade for 13 hours, and we are going to exit this trade immediately, and we are done. Okay, so to end of this video, is it possible to day trade? Yes, absolutely. It's an absolute possibility. You can day trade. But if you are serious about day trading, get yourself an expert. Day trading by itself is a black hole that I've seen like no other before. There are endless amounts of strategies to use. There are endless amount of trading styles like swing trading. This was just a simple video to see if we actually can day trade. So in conclusion, if you want to day trade and you are serious about day trading, I would suggest going and finding yourself an expert that resonates with you, that you understand. You understand the strategy that he's using and the trading style that he's using. All right, that's all from my side. Till the next video, peace.